Today's video is unboxing of YSL LouLou Puffer bag. Please guys, stay with me. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. My name is Oksana and today I'm going to share with you YSL LouLou Puffer bag unboxing. I purchased this bag from Farfetch. I purchased this bag from Farfetch and that's how it came. I obviously already opened the package just to ensure that everything is okay over there. So the box right there, it says Farfetch. It didn't come unfortunately with the YSL or Saint Laurent box. Obviously it came with the invoices and the documentation. Then it came with additional plain bag. Doesn't say anything, it doesn't say Farfetch or anything. And inside this plain black bag, it's actually Saint Laurent dust bag and the bag itself. So obviously I'm not gonna keep you waiting. I'm gonna show you the bag. Ta-da! There you go, there you go. I'm gonna come definitely closer to the camera and I'm gonna do my modeling shots as usually, as I do my modeling shots all the time for you guys. And I want to chat a little bit about this handbag and tell you why I decided to go with YSL Puffer handbag. So first and most, I don't have any YSL handbag in my collection and I want to add YSL handbag for a while, but it's never a right time or a right model for me to add the handbag. And lately, which is I'm extremely glad, if you look through all the Instagram or newest collections that come into the boutique, 99% of the stores seems to me shifting to the larger bags and shifting to the softer bag. Per se, I don't say that I dislike completely soft handbags. I actually enjoy using soft handbags, but usually soft handbags don't hold the value, for instance, as a Chanel Jumbo, because it's very structured handbag. So it keeps the shape, it keeps the value, and I mean, it's Chanel. So when it comes to this specific handbag, if you look through the latest collection and these obviously collections that come in cruise collection and the previous one 19K collection, which is fall winter, Chanel came up with a handbag they call Chanel 19, and it's also kind of like more of the puffer style bag. It's soft, the quilting is bigger, and it's very puffy and soft. So obviously in Canadian dollars, the size that I want, and this size is pretty much the same size as a jumbo. I didn't go with the medium size, which would be as a maxi. I don't need maxi for my body frame, but the jumbo size would be a perfect large size bag, for everyday use. So that kind of Chanel 19 and Chanel over 6,000 and pretty much plus taxes, it's around $7,000 in Canadian, which is I definitely don't want to spend. What I love about this bag that first and most I choose with the Sue Black hardware. And normally, for instance, if I would have buy something from Chanel, the black hardware usually about $1,000 more compared to regular silver or gold hardware. When it comes to YSL, they kept the same price, and I know how much I enjoy my Chanel Coco Handle and Sue Black because it's so neutral and it can go with any kind of jewelry, accessory, etc. I don't have to think about. I can wear gold, rose gold, I can wear yellow gold, I can wear silver, platinum, I can wear white gold, and it's all okay. So I truly enjoy the Sue Black hardware and I decided to go with the Sue Black hardware in this LouLou Puffer bag. The other things I like about this bag, as I said, it's quite soft. So let me remove everything from the inside and show you insides of this handbag. This is very roomy. I know it's very dark, it's hard to see, but if you look, these chains, they go kind of through both the front and the back pocket, so you can see it's almost like 4 grommets. So, and they're very secure, and I like that they're not on top, they're actually on the side. So even if you use the bag for a very long time, it's still gonna keep somewhat nicer shape at the back. I truly like that. I love the length, and if you see, when you put the chain through, the back fits perfectly. So the top leather handle fits absolutely perfectly at the back, and it has very clean front view and front look. I absolutely love it. The length, when you put 2 chains together, it's a perfect length on the shoulders, but as I said, when you leave it long, it's a perfect length as a crossbody or long shoulder strap. Absolutely love it. The closure is magnetic. So the closure is magnetic, and it's actually fairly strong, so it's very easy to open and close. You can hear the sound of the closure. And right now, obviously, the bag is absolutely empty, but when you're gonna put your stuff inside, or when I'm gonna put my stuff inside, it's gonna have a little bit of weight. And what also I love about this handbag, I'm thinking of the use that say it's big enough, obviously for every day. It's perfect even if you're in an office environment when you don't want to be flashy, because this logo almost invisible. You have to really look closely to see that it's YSL, or even if you don't want to even expose that, you can just turn around and just apply plain black bag. I think it would be also perfect handbag for traveling. For the same reason, as I said, if you need to go somewhere, you can use it as a short shoulders. But if you want to be more discreet, you just turn around and it's just a plain black handbag. So it's perfect handbag for travel, in my humble opinion, because bottle of water will fit perfectly, umbrella will fit perfectly in this handbag. You can put your camera, you can put your mini pochette with all the cosmetic things that you need, cell phone, wallet, even if you need the full-size wallet, everything will fit in this handbag. I would say if you're a young mother, you can even put the diapers in there, because there is truly plenty of room. Just to give you an idea of the dimension, it's actually exactly the same size as Chanel Jumbo, slightly actually wider, because if I compare the size of the Chanel Jumbo, it's let me just hold it right there. So the Chanel Jumbo is actually 11.8 by 7.9 by 3.9, and this bag is 11.8 by 7.9 by 4.7, so it's actually even wider. So definitely plenty of room over there, and I truly hope that I'm gonna use and enjoy this item. I definitely hope that I'm gonna use and enjoy this item. The leather that it's made of, I believe it's a calf skin. To my knowledge, it's a calf skin, but it's very soft. It's I don't know how they made it, but it's extremely soft. And as I said, it looks like very plush and very luxurious, like it's like almost pleasant to touch. Like, the bag is very dark inside, because inside you have textile lining, and right there you can see it says, so right there it says Saint Laurent Paris, and furthermore it also says Saint Laurent Paris, made in Italy. It has one zipped pocket, otherwise it's just one big compartment inside and one zipped pocket. So when I open this zip pocket, there is further YSL information, obviously, and the tag where it says the actual number and made in Italy. So that's how it looks like all inside. And actually right now you can see leather quite well. Let me just close the bag. It's beautiful, it's absolutely beautiful. And I love it that it's so black, because I truly enjoy using so black hardware. I think it's so gorgeous. So that's about it, guys, for this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate. Put your questions below. I will gladly answer all your questions. And like, you know, what is my first impression after I unbox this handbag. I hopefully gonna use it like, you know, quite heavily during this winter, because I think it's absolutely gorgeous and perfect for the use for the winter month. And as I said, what I love about it, because it's so black, you can actually use it all year around. It looks like I'm once again rambling. Even my camera died on me. So anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you again on my channel. Please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like my videos if you really enjoy the video. And I guess until our next meeting, don't forget to put your questions and comments if you have any questions or comments in regards to this handbag. And it's YSL LouLou in small size puffer bag. But this small size is pretty much the same size as the Chanel Jumbo. Thank you very much again for watching, and until our next meeting, bye bye.